Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Windows 10 on your PC. So I'll show you exactly how to bootable your flash and how to choose a best version of Windows and how to install and how to complete your Windows installation in just a minute. So let's dive in the PC and work on it. So guys, at first I'm gonna tell you what we need to install a new operating system. All we need is just one USB flash, no problem what company is it, but just a flash and the PC you wanted to install on it, and one another PC to download the softwares and download the app to bootable your flash on that computer. So here are I have two computer to I'll whatever my flash in this computer that has Windows 11, and if you don't know how to install Windows 11, I'll make another video to how to install Windows 11. But this is my another PC that has Windows 8, and I'll show you the Windows 8. So I'll show you, and this is my another computer that has Windows 8. So let's start from the PC and bootabling and then continuing step by step. So guys, as if you didn't like the video, just like the video now to continue it more powerfully and more energetically. So let's dive in. So guys, at first we have to bootable our USB flash. For bootabling your USB flash, you need apps to bootable your USB flash or use CMD to bootable it. So I use an app that I have downloaded by the name of Rufus. Rufus is an app that you can bootable your USB flash. So I have downloaded and let's check it. So guys, as you see, it's still a Rufus app. And now I'm gonna run it and then we have to bootable our USB flash. So guys, now it will open. Okay guys, as you see, it didn't recognize any USB flash. So let me to plug in the USB flash and it will recognize automatically, and all of these are by default guys, so you don't need to change. All you need to change is just to select in the select section. You have to just select any your setup, every operating system you wanna to install. You have to just select from here to bootable and then you will continue. For example, now I'll select it here from selection button, as you see. Okay guys, I have the all version. For example, I have Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. So it means I have a lot set up in Windows, and all I need is to just select one of them to bootable it. For example, in this time I'll select Windows 7, 10 and 11 to bootable a collection that if I wanna install in a normal computer I will use Windows 10. If I install in a weak computer I'll choose 7 and another continue. So other are just by default. Guys, as you see, I have bootabled it and now it has three windows in it, and you see it says Windows collection. All you need is just it's as simple as you couldn't believe. Just do this and then continue. So guys, this is Windows 8 and now we are gonna install Windows 10 in this PC. So just follow the step to don't miss the video. So guys, now I plug the USB flash in this PC. Now I will restart it now for you to show you and to teach you how to exactly install a Windows. It's advanced video. It's mean in this video I'll make sure you how to exactly install your Windows. For example, let's continue. So it's somehow slowly, but be passionate. So guys, as it starts, you have to press F12 in Dell and other, and every computer there are different. For example, in HP you have to press escape and then F10 to go to the boot menu. In here now we have an, as you know, I have USB storage device, so I choose this and then you will continue it. So enter, ask you to press any key to continue. Now you have to press any key, no problem, just and then will continue. So now it asks me for 32 or 64 bit. So now it's on you to how strong is your computer. For example, I'll now choose 64, so now I'll enter. It's loading the file now. So guys, and I wanna make it clear that also you can use for example a CD Windows, but without bootable. If you have CD and your computer has a port to enter the city, no problem, you can use from CD. But now you are booting from the setup. So now it asks us that the language and keyboard will continue. So guys, now it asks us about the version of the Windows. For example, I want a Windows 10 Home or Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Enterprise. So no problem. So I'll install Windows 10 Pro. It's on you, no problem, guys. What you choose, it's all on you. And here, guys, it's ask about to accept this section and then enter or choose from your mouse. And then, if you have internet or if you wanna upgrade it, sometimes you have to choose the first one. But if you don't wanna, just click in the custom install Windows only at once, no any other sections. So when it comes here, guys, it will automatically find the first one. The your drive C will automatically be the first one, but you have to know about your drive C how GB is it. So for example, now I know that this is my drive C, so I'll format it or I'll delete it. Be careful that all things that are in your drive C will be deleted. So be careful when you're installing Windows to make sure yourself that there is no any important thing to be deleted. So just now enter it, and it will take some times, but be patient, and I'll show you that this section that it will continue. So just wait to this. Guys, when it's finished, it will say you that the computer will restart by itself. You don't have to be worried, and it will automatically restart it. And okay, now just a moment. It's mean the Windows have already installed it, and they are doing the basic things to continue it. For example, it asks about our region. For example, you can choose here, and then it will continue. Here, use your language. For example, use and about your keyboard layout. Use all of them by default actually. You have to just click next. It asks me about to connect to the internet. If you have internet, connect, but if you don't have, no problem, just say I don't have internet to continue. Here it asks you about the name. If you have if you wanna put your name, it's okay. If not, just click next. For example, I'll put my name here. For example, I wrote Farshad Mind. Okay, and now here is the password. For if you wanna enter a password, it's okay. If not, no problem. For example, I'll give the password and then enter. It asks you about two terms. For example, and now it asks you about the hint. For example, if you forgot one times your uh, password, you must have a hint to find what was your password. For example, they are somehow related to find what was the real password. For example, It asks you about three questions. You have to answer them according to your password. For example, if your password is your email, you can, for example, answer some questions related to your email, or shows that your password is about your email or about your nickname. Just somehow related, make them related to. If sometimes you forgot, you can recover it as easy as you couldn't believe. So the other just accept them, and then it will continue. Also not now or accept, no problem, both of them are right. And then now it says about you something, but don't care about them, just continue. Okay, you have already installed. Okay, it says hi, it's me. Welcome to Windows 10. We're getting everything ready for you. You are just gonna be passionate. Okay, this might take several minutes. No problem, we'll wait. And here it asks about the don't turn off your PC and leave it to us. Okay, almost there. So, guys, we have finally installed our Windows 10. If you wanna know what should we install after installing Windows, which app are the best, so just don't forget to like the video and watch the next. So guys, I'll make another video what should we do after installing Windows. For example, it title might be that what should we do after installing Windows, and all app you need I'll install in the next video. So